Sir, a set is a set.
So guys, the most common definition of set is a set is a well-defined collection of objects. All right, a well-defined collection of objects.
So,
Now, collections which are sets. So, which are the collections which are set? So, what does it means by well-defined? Tell me.
so well defined is when you have something specific or something.
Yes, when we have something specific. For example, if I say the set of kids in a class, is it well defined?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
No, it
Yes.
is not. No, it
No,
is
sir.
not. Because it can be any class. If I say a set of kids in the grade 6 class of math mystery, then it
Yes,
is a
sir.
well defined set.
Yes, sir.
Because I have defined everything. Okay. Now, if I talk about a set of vowels, is it well defined?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I say, let me ask from Candy who is dancing. Candy, if I say
Yes, sir.
the list of all intelligent kids in the class, is it well defined?
No, sir.
Why it is not well defined?
Sir, because everyone has their own definition of intelligence.
What?
For children, because sir, you haven't specifically told our names.
Yes, because I haven't told you the definition of intelligence can vary,
Yes, sir. You can see
right?
from various perspectives. Like some children, sir, for suppose me, some other child is intelligent and
Yes,
some not.
yes, yes.
Good evening, sir.
Let's good evening.
Intelligence can be kept
Let's
from many perspectives.
Yes. And if I say the list of all tall kids in the class, hacker will answer. List of all tall kids in the class. Is it a set? Yes or no?
No, sir.
It's not a set. Again, a child may be tall in India, but if he goes to West Indies, he may be very small. He may be Tigna, the shortest kid there, right? So it depends on the perspective. It may vary from person to person, country to country. So intelligence, how tall you are, how short you are, how
So
beautiful
what was
you
the
are,
definition?
how ugly
Definition of
you
set.
are.
How
बेटा
ugly?
set is a well defined collection of objects. ये जो होते हैं ये जो चीजें वेरी करती हैं एक पर्सपेक्टिव से वो सेट्स नहीं होती। ये वेरी करता है ना कितना इंटेलिजेंट है आपके लिए कोई इंटेलिजेंट होगा कितना स्मार्ट है जैसे गौरी इज वेरी स्मार्ट फॉर मी but for someone else will say Gauri's hairs are on his forehead, so he may not find Gauri smart, right? He may not like the color of the Nike t-shirt, so he will say no, no, he's not smart. But I do like the color also. I like the hair falling on the forehead also. So for me, Gauri is smart. So it depends on the perspective. So we cannot define it from everyone's perspective. So it's not a set. So what are sets? Collection of vowels in the English alphabet sets, collection of planets in the solar system sets, collection of even numbers sets, collection of prime factors of 24 sets. Now, which are not sets? Collection of young players in a team. Again, कोई definition तो है नहीं. But if I would have read collection of players in a team whose age is equal to mine, which is less than 25, then it is a set.
Is equal to mine?
Yeah, sorry, 30. So which age is less than 30, then it is a set, right?
What is your age?
Yes. So collection of beautiful girls in a town. Again, I told you Gauri's example, not a set. Not a set. Collection of interesting stories.
And Gauri is an example.
So I gave an example of a boy and sometimes we call him Gauri also. So collection of interesting stories. Now, interesting stories, again, it depends.
Varies from
For me,
person.
perspective, like Scooty likes the stories of space, while Chip likes the stories of nuts. So
Sir,
again, it
actually,
varies.
I don't like the stories of space. I like I like of adventure.
Smiley likes the stories of girls and boys playing.
There are barely any stories of space.
Yes, because she likes to
And even if
pass
they are,
time and have
I know
fun.
everything. They are very
Yes.
simple.
So collection of rich persons in Delhi. Again, we cannot comment. It depends. For someone,
Someone
it
may have a lot
depends.
of industry and business, but not a lot of money in the
Yes,
bank.
yes, yes. So I will ask one by one.
A lot of
So
jewelry may
starting
have.
from Smiley, collection of all counting numbers less than 100, set or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So next goes to Chip, collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J, set or not?
Collection of all months of a year beginning from the letter J. A set. It is a set.
A set. Next, Scooter, collection of naughty students in a class,
Sir, not a set.
not a set, no. So let me write Y and N only. So collection of all rivers of India, Mahuri,
Sir, it is not a set.
it is
Sir,
not a
why
set.
is our
It will
question
be a set with a collection of all
It is a
rivers.
set.
It should be a set ना, क्योंकि कितनी rivers होंगी इंडिया में? 50, 100, 150, 200, उससे ज्यादा थोड़ी होंगी.
100. So that's an approximation. Sir, there are 40 rivers in Andhra Pradesh.
Can you check how many rivers are in India?
Let me check. Let's check. I'll open
They have written
Violet.
in the answer key
More than
that
400. More than
this is
400.
not a set they have written, but this is contradictory, guys, because we can count the rivers.
Sir, more than 400. Sir, more than 400.
So have they written the exact number?
No, sir. No, sir.
So if they have not, because they have acha, because we don't know the exact number, because sometimes river gets dried and things like that. That is why it is not a set.
Sir, it is written 7 rivers are there in India. Sir,
Because
400.
guys, I am telling you ना, कुछ rivers जैसे कई बार dry हो जाती है season when it's too much heat and the temperature rises up. All right. The collection of all points of a circle are
So, sir,
set
it's
on.
not a set. So, sir, it's
It's
not a set.
not a set, not a set. Collection of all rivers of India, not a set. Next question goes to Adya, collection of all points of a circle.
Not a set. Ones.
Yes,
Not a set.
yes, not a set. Then collection of all political parties in India. This question goes to Miss D.
Not a set. Set.
But this is again debatable. The answer written in the key is no, but it is debatable. One, why they have written not a set is because there must be too many, because India is such a vast country.
And sir, some political party. So maybe two. And sir, maybe two political parties might have.
Yeah, beta, but still it is debatable. This 6 point is debatable क्योंकि जितनी भी
Then it's
no
an infinite set. Sir, you said we can do English today. We'll have a debate.
guys, see, infinite कुछ नहीं होता सेट, क्योंकि ये जितनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैं एक जगह रजिस्टर होंगी तो once the system becomes computerized we will have an exact number.
Let me search number. But our teacher said that it is yes because one day a party is made, but the another day it is not.
So it is not a set, na? Or it is a set?
It is.
बेटा
Sir,
see,
our teacher said it's not a set.
बेटा जो explanation दे रहे हो ना, एक दिन पार्टी बनी
Yes,
अगले दिन नहीं है. Wait,
Yes,
Sudaram, please beta don't interrupt when I am teaching.
It is
जो आप
not,
exam,
sir. It is not.
it is not a set, na? That's what I am
Yes,
saying.
sir.
Answer key maybe
Yes,
it is
sir.
not likha, it is not
Yes,
a
sir.
set. But
Yes.
according to me, it should have been a set. But if it comes in your exam, you mark not a set.
So should we ask our teacher? But
No, beta, no, let's not argue. ये छोटी सी चीज है. The collection of
precisely
most talented writers of India goes to the guy.
sir, not a set.
The collection of most talented
Oh no,
writers.
talented. Okay, then it is a set. Then it's.
No, beta. See, talented है कि नहीं वो आपका opinion है ना. Someone
but
might not a set. अगेन ये आंसर की में yes सेट दिया हुआ है, but this should be not a set. The collection of good hockey players of India
Goes to whom?
Sir, can I? Sir, can I do?
1 second. 4, 5, 6.
Sir, you didn't
It's
decide.
like I said
Sir,
कि ये yes है. It is written yes. This is written yes. This is written yes. I told you कि ये yes होंगे. It's written yes only. 4, 5, 6.
How the collection? Sir, how 5?
Collection of all points of a circle. How this is well defined? If I give you a circle, you can find the coordinate of each and every point.
Oh.
Excuse
You
me,
can,
sir.
yes.
So, but in our class, our teacher has made us write that all of these are not sets.
Beta, see, this and this, so I told you, beta, they are debatable questions. मैं आंसर की से बोल रहा हूँ. These are debatable, and I told you कि ये set होना चाहिए था. When I was explaining this also, I initially told you ये set होना चाहिए, but then I thought कि कुछ reverse I think dry हो जाती हैं, so that's why. So these things are debatable, but do as your teacher says. At the end I will tell you, do as your teacher says. You understand the definition?
Yes,
Correct?
sir.
So do as your teacher says for these questions. All right?
Okay, sir.
These are the answers marked in the book. Chalo, the collection of good hockey players in India, the question goes to Chatty.
Sir, it's not a
Not
set.
a set. The collection of interesting novels goes to Geetal.
Not a set.
Not a set. The collection of high buildings in a city.
Sir, I didn't get a single term.
A set. The same.
Not a set. Chalo, I will give you. Next.
Sir, I didn't
Notation.
understand.
What you don't understand?
So, like, the collection of points of a circle.
Point of a circle, beta. So collection of point of a circle, how it is well defined. See beta, मैं आपको यहाँ पे you can get a coordinate. If I draw a circle, you can get a coordinate for each and every point of the circle. That's how they are well defined.
Sir,
Then you will
any point
study.
can be anywhere.
Yeah, they should have told of a particular circle. बस मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, they should have told of a particular circle, but this is what they mean. ठीक है, सुधरम?
Yes, sir. And the collection of high buildings in a city.
Again, beta, high buildings depends on your opinion if it is high or not. So you tell me.
Yes, sir. One or two houses.
Is it a set or not? You tell me.
Sir, it is not.
It is not correct. Now let's come to notation. Someone was saying something?
Yeah, Geetal.
Yes,
So I
Geetal.
joined it. I didn't get the meaning of sets. Like,
Beta,
what
if it is a well-defined collection of objects, like the students in the math mystery class of grade 6 math mystery class, I have well-defined. Number of vowels in English alphabet, I have well-defined. Number of prime numbers from 1 to 100, I have well-defined. So these are sets, but what depends on your opinion, like intelligence, naughtiness, height, are not sets. Okay? Sets are usually denoted by capital letters. Sets are usually denoted by capital letters A, B, C and their members by small letters. अब sets होते हैं. तो जैसे मैंने किया sets of kids in the class. So let me call the set name M. Now, if I am giving a short form to everyone, I can write the name also. But if I am giving the short form for everyone, it will be A, B, C, D. I can write the full name also.
Sir, did not understand.
I will explain. Ruk jao.
Yes, sir.
Let's take more example. Let's take more example of writing sets. So अभी just understand sets are denoted by capital letters. मतलब अगर मुझे किसी सेट को डिनोट करना है तो मैं कैपिटल लेटर से डिनोट करूंगा ABCD लाइक दिस.
Denote in the sense that you're doing.
डिनोट मतलब अगर मुझे लिखना है सेट को तो मैं ABCD ऐसे करके लिख सकता हूं दैट दिस इज वन सेट, दिस इज सेट 2, फिर मैं इसके मेंबर्स लिखूंगा, दिस इज सेट 3, दिस इज सेट 4 लाइक दैट. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल एक सेट है A जिसमें 3 नंबर्स हैं 2 3 5.
So
So
like
how will I write?
Olympiads. So like Olympiads also, like this is set A, this is set B, this is set C.
I will come to it बेटा. एक मिनट let me complete. जैसे मेरा सेट A है उसमें 3 मेंबर्स हैं 2 3 5. So I write the set A equal to this bracket, curly brackets, then I can write 2 3 5 like this. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I did not understand the notation part.
नोटेशन बेटा एक कैपिटल लेटर से सेट को डोनेट करते हैं. वो V भी हो सकता है, A भी हो सकता है, कुछ और भी हो सकता है, M भी हो सकता है. दिस इज द नोटेशन फॉर द ईज. अब मैं कैसे लिखूंगा सेट ऑफ 5 2 3 5? मैं हाउ विल आई राइट सेट ऑफ 2 3 5? सो देयर इज अ पर्टिकुलर वे. जैसे हैव यू स्टडीड कंप्यूटर?
Yes.
कंप्यूटर में कोडिंग की है.
Yes.
कुछ करने का एक कमांड होता है, सिंटेक्स होता है, वे होता है.
Yes.
सो यू नो आपको ये पता चल जाता है ये साइन मल्टीप्लाई का है मैथ्स में, करेक्ट?
Yes.
अगर किसी लैंग्वेजेस में इफ वी हैव टू ऐड वी यूज द ऐड कमांड आल्सो.
Yes.
Yes.
सो सेम वे दिस ए डिनोट्स की ये सेट नोटेशन है, सेट का नाम है.
Okay, understood.
राइट इक्वल टू कर्ली ब्रैकेट्स देन मेंबर्स. मेंबर्स के बीच में हम कॉमा लगाते हैं.
Okay.
ऑल राइट.
Okay.
नाउ मैं किसी भी ऑर्डर में लिख दूं लाइक 2 3 5 3 2 5 2 5 3 5 3 2, इट मीन्स सेट ए ओनली.
Okay.
इफ आई वांट टू राइट सेट ए ये दोनों सेम है 5 3 2.
Okay.
वन मोर थिंग, नो मेंबर इज रिपीटेड. एन एलिमेंट ऑफ अ सेट इज नॉट रिटन मोर देन वंस. कभी भी जैसे वन 2 बार नहीं लिखते. हियर वी हैव वन और टू टाइम्स रिटन है. वी विल जस्ट राइट वन टाइम ओनली. If
Sir,
I have to
also,
make the set of the letters of the word chatty, so it will have CHATY. It will not have T 2 times. It will have T only one time. Have we understood, kids?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next, if we have understood, let's see. Now, if I want to check, जैसे मेरा सेट है, let me write it. Let me open the whiteboard. 1 minute.
Sir, you in a different room today.
So if I tell you what happened, so there was a fire in my study room.
Sir, how?
sir, actually,
Yes,
how?
Sir?
How?
my
Yes, sir.
15,000 rupees calculator burnt out, the air conditioner burnt out, and the fall ceiling burnt out.
Sir, that sounds fake.
Sir, my house was also burnt.
It's not fake, but it's the truth.
Sir,
Can
same
you
my
show the
house
room at
was
the end of the
also
class?
burnt.
No, I won't show
Sir,
you.
respect.
So let's see.
Sir,
If
then
my set is 1 2 3
Sir, while
4
writing sets,
5.
is it important to put the brackets like you are putting?
Yes, beta, these curly brackets are important. This is the syntax I told you, na? Now, if I want to say, if I want to ask, is 5 a member of this set? So we write it like this.
Yes,
5
it
is a 5 belongs to A. 5 belongs to set A. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? 5 is a member of this set. What does it mean?
5 is the member.
5 is a member of set A.
Now, is 7 a member of this set?
No.
7 is sure not a member.
Yes.
So then I will write it like this. All right, have you understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is the name of the curly bracket?
What is the name of the
Curly bracket. Sir, I have a question.
curly
What is-
brackets only?
So why do we need sets in math?
Beta, I am teaching English today because Sudhanam asked me to do so.
So you need to check the chat because
Beta, I have read your chat and I will do that today.
so.
You are
The
Yeah.
guy, what did you send in the chat?
Beta, he wants some worksheets on LCM,
Yeah.
HCF also.
No, not SGF. I'm good with that one.
Sir, he never sent anything.
He sent to me, beta.
Why would I send ask a request for worksheets for my test this week? Come on, to you.
All right.
Sir,
Now,
What? Oh, sir, what is this symbol? The one you put? Sir, keep getting
belongs to, does not belongs to.
Okay. Sir, I keep getting confused with these symbols.
Beta, you have to, memorize and remember them. So sets is one topic where you have to do it again. Thoda sa na, it's easy, but you have to do it again and again.
What was this?
All right. Now, there are two ways. This is null set or phi. Means it does not contain anything.
Okay.
All right. So next, when I write a set like this, it is called roster form. Now there are two ways I can, Dia, please stop annotating.
Rooster form. Back.
And when I write the set like this, A is equal to X, again algebra, such that X is a natural number.
So this is precisely what eats my brain.
Number less than 6. X is a natural number less than 6. So if I write it like this, this is called set builder form. What is it called? Set builder form. So I can write this in normal roster form or in set builder form So let me explain the set builder form. A is equal to X such that X is a natural number less than 6. मतलब जो मेरा वैल्यू है A की उसमें it contains all the natural numbers less than 6 which are 1 2 3 4 5. Understood?
The washroom. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So can we also write x such that x is a number between 0 and 6?
Beta, you cannot write because you have to specify it is which type of number. You have to specify if it is a whole number or a natural number or fraction or rational
I
number.
did not understand the set builder form.
Set builder form, दो example देख लेते हैं. Let's come back to the book. बच्चा party, stop annotation. Don't be a बच्चा, please.
So we are not bachcha.
Now see, we have written B set is equal to 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 23, 29. So we all know that these are prime numbers which are greater than 4 but less than 30. So this is which form? Roster form. Diya, please don't annotate on the screen. And if I want to write in set builder form, X is a prime number and it lies between, it is less than 30 and greater than 4. It is less than 30 and greater than 4. तो उसको लिखने के लिए वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, मेरा x 4 से ग्रेटर है और 30 से कम है, माई x इज मोर देन 4 एंड लेस देन।
सर जब हम सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में x लिखते हैं, x रिप्रेजेंट्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ नंबर और अ सिंगल नंबर?
वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन बेटा, यहाँ पे x इज अ x represents all the numbers that are between 4 and 30.
सो बट इधर लिखा हुआ है x इज अ प्राइम नंबर।
तो फिर x will represent only prime, अगर मैं केवल ऐसे लिख दूं x represent everything between 4 and 30,
नहीं,
but yeah, so
इधर
if I
लिखा है
write x is a prime number between 4 and 30, तो मतलब
सर
केवल प्राइम नंबर होगा।
एनोटेट एंड टेल। इधर
Yes,
प्राइम में उन्होंने सिर्फ e लिखा है, s तो लिखा ही नहीं, तो वो सिंगल
कहाँ
नंबर।
लिखा है
प्राइम के बाद s तो लिखा ही नहीं।
बेटा, प्राइम्स नंबर तो कोई वर्ड होता ही नहीं है,
आई मीन
प्राइम्स
आर, आई मीन आर के बाद
आर के बाद
s डाला नहीं तो वो डब।
कहाँ, आर के बाद एस क्यों आएगा,
सर
प्रिज्म। अच्छा, यहाँ प्राइम नंबर्स,
यस
बेटा प्राइम x इज अ प्राइम नंबर में वो क्लियर हो जाता है वो चीज कि प्राइम नंबर कोई भी हो सकता है, ठीक है, एक बार में वो एक ही x की बात कर रहे हैं ना, दैट इज वाई। और दिस इज ग्रामर बेटा, अगर आप लगाओ नहीं लगाओ मैथ्स में उतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बट जनरली वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन नंबर ओनली, इस सेट बिल्डर में सारे नंबर्स हैं, सो x इज एनी प्राइम नंबर बिटवीन 4 and 30, जैसे हम बोल नहीं सकते वी डोंट से एनी प्राइम नंबर्स बिटवीन 4 and 30, डू वी से लाइक दैट, do we say numbers, we say number only. All right kids, we'll take a 5 minutes break, we'll resume after the break. Bye bye, enjoy. Burnt out of the study room, so you can send one to me. So Dia, Smiley, Geetal, come back.
Sir, was anything precious destroyed?
Sit on her camera. It's not fair. Even you keep your camera on for the class.
सर हाउ डिड द
It's
फायर
off currently.
So Precious was air conditioner, room interior, when Elmira, wooden
So how
Elmira.
did the fire start? So how did the fire start? Sir, 15,000 calculated burnt out. 12,000.
Sir, I can't see the full A. Can you please make the circle a little bit smaller?
Okay.
Thank you.
Sir, my house also got fire last Sunday.
Peter, did you send the fire to my
Sir,
place?
Shelly had arrived and
No, sir. No, sir.
Alright guys, time up.
Sure,
So
I put
3
enough
belongs
wind
to
as I
A.
could in the chat.
Sorry,
So
I said to you.
3 is not in A, so it is false.
Ma'am, check my answer.
12 does
Sir, I
not
got
belong
my
to B,
mistake.
but 12 belongs to B. 12 belongs to B, so it is also false. क्योंकि 12 तो है B में. Understood? Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
So, guys, you have to send to Ragini ma'am, do the birthday.
Sir, do you know it is Potter's birthday, day after tomorrow?
Whose birthday?
Potter's.
Area.
Oh.
You have to do birthday.
Then was anything precious lost?
Time,
I think you're lying.
most precious thing.
Sir, where is D part? D is not there, only C is there.
So, Sudharam, beta wakey, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Ragini ma'am, please check mine.
Where is D?
All right.
So where is D?
So I will ask the answer from
Chippy.
Ragini ma'am,
can you check mine as
well?
Ragini ma'am, can you check Chippy's?
13 belongs to A is correct. True.
can check mine as well.
Oh, thank you.
11 belongs to A. No, 11 does not belongs to A, so false.
Sir, where is it?
Ragini ma'am, please check mine.
Yes.
Sir, where is D part?
All right, next.
Sir, can you please tell where is D part?
So I will ask one by one.
Sir, please.
So Adya, does X belongs to A or does not belong to A? A part Adya. अरे यार ये बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है, छोड़ते हैं सेकंड वाला, थर्ड पे आते हैं. So
Sir,
you have to write in roster form the set of first 3 counting numbers in the roster form. Send it in the chat. And ma'am, if anyone does not send in the correct syntax curly brackets, then please don't give them the marks.
Sir, we
Where
get
are the other type of brackets?
arrows.
Curly brackets are near the P. P key. P के पास हैं curly brackets.
Sir, will zero be counted?
3 counting numbers में 0 will not be counted.
Sir, where is that straight line? Oh, found it. It's also near T.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Oh, no.
Sir, I'm on an iPad. I only have normal brackets in the keypad. Can I use those?
Okay, beta.
You can find them.
Yes,
You
sir.
can find them in when you press the other
There's a
button.
standing
There's
line.
another- There is.
So the answer is 1, 2, 3. Next, do the C part. Now give the answer, guys.
Sir,
Set
I'm
of
not able to find, sir, the straight line.
it is beta, ये straight line नहीं है, curly brackets है.
No, sir. Sir, after that, X such that.
Sir, this is really tough to type.
आपको
and
बेटा
all.
set builder form में लिखना ही नहीं है. You have to write in roster form.
It's
That
given
is
a
set
set
builder
builder
form.
form. Sir, will zero be counted?
No, which one? Multiples of 3 में how is 0 a multiple?
3 zeros are.
No beta, no it won't.
Sir, it's really tough finding the keys.
You must improve your
Sir, does 15 count as well?
beta less than 15 लिखा है. You tell me.
Sir, no.
So then
Doesn't
you
count.
got the answer.
Okay.
My dear Mahuri, is my answer.
Mom, please check my.
My dear Mahuri, what is my answer?
Oh.
Mahuri,
So the answer is. So
Mom,
the answer is A equals to curly brackets 3, 6, 9, 12.
yes.
So
So
this is what
if
I
your
said,
teacher allows, you can write like this also. You can give the set a name A equal to 3, 6, 9, 12. This also should be correct.
sir,
You
I
can
know
write A.
T is equal to
Okay.
comma,
Next, the set of vowels in the word method.
Sir, I didn't check my answer.
Beta, it's okay. Okay, hacker. So D part, set of vowels in the word mathematics. Do the D part quickly.
Sir, autocorrect.
Sir, how have so many children already done it?
Sir, autocorrect is irritating me.
How can anyone irritate Diya? So that's a
Autocorrect keeps changing
ha,
my
ha, ha.
to R.
That's a big joke. Ha ha ha.
I forgot to put on the other side curly bracket now because it was kind of
Please check mine.
send it to you before the autocorrect begins. You're irritating.
All right.
Ragini ma'am, please check chippies.
So the vowels are A, E, I, and I won't repeat A 2 times. I won't repeat I तो एक ही बार है.
Sir, I wrote 1, 2, and sir, I wrote it's 3 times there.
Or
I
you
wrote
can
one.
do no better, then that will be wrong. If I
Sir,
write
it's
IEA, it is also correct. If I write EAI, it is also correct, but with commas.
Sir, I did by mistakenly did the fourth part A.
Sir, I wrote all the letters.
Better then, very good, Chatty, very good. Were you sleeping when I was explaining कि repeat नहीं करना? सो रहे थे बेटा, सपना देख रहे थे कोई? हमें भी बता दो बेटा. Now you have to write in this one, set builder form. So let me do the first one, which is the easier one.
Oh, let us do it by
So
ourselves.
I will ask from Scooter. Scooter, what?
Sir, A is equal to curly bracket start X at that what do you say that
Such that
straight line such that X is a vowel in the English alphabet curly bracket stop.
such a nice Scooter.
Sir, I'm not sure.
So now do the B part.
Can I go bring a charger?
Yes, B part also. Acha, do it, guys.
Sir,
First,
I did not understand. Sir, I did not understand like how like set builder method.
see beta, you learn. Have you learned coding? Coding में हर चीज का command होता है ना. Same
Yes.
way, this is a way how to write in the set builder form. Everyone give the answer for C part.
Sir, what are we doing with the X? Sir, it is written X is a natural number less than
See,
6.
इसमें इन्होंने बोला है कि x की वैल्यू कोई भी हो सकती है which is a vowel in the English alphabet. It can be A, E, I, O, U. So we can write sets in two ways. One is set builder form, one is roster form. This
Yeah,
was
roster
roster
form I
form,
understood.
and this is
Roster
set
form I
builder
understood.
form. We write like this. This is a syntax. जैसे computer करते हैं, we have a syntax. This is a syntax for writing it in the set builder form.
Okay.
Oh, the guy.
Sir, do we have to specify that it is a natural number?
Beta, yes, you have to. Specifying is always good, beta. It will never harm you. Not specifying might harm you, but specifying may not harm you at all.
Sir, where is that straight line, sir, which comes after X?
That straight line is above the enter key. This straight line is above enter key. मैं आपको बता देता हूँ कहाँ पर है. It's here.
After the delete key.
This is enter.
Not
And
please check by.
people are getting such a simple question wrong.
Sir,
Oh my
it's really
God.
difficult to type.
Oh my God. You don't know typing? My
Sir,
goodness.
it takes ages.
My God. You must have been old till now, beta.
Sir, I did B by mistake.
I forgot to
Sir,
close
it's so
the brackets.
Mr. Ba. So C is X such that
X is
X
all the prime numbers on the front.
You have to
is
do
a
C
prime
part.
number less than 20.
Sir, I did B part. Same.
X is a prime number less than 20.
Same, I also did the B part.
Beta, then get your eyes checked, beta, because I have marked on the C. Na? Get your eyes.
That I just know that they are prime numbers.
X is a prime number less than 20 because it has all the prime numbers. Now B part.
Less than 23.
Do the B part.
Thank God. I've already done it. Oh no, why did it get a copied paste?
So Guy, the Navya must be learning sets.
Oh,
If she is not learning now, she will learn soon.
Sir, it's not getting copied.
She already learned it.
Yeah,
It's not getting copied.
So ask her, otherwise you can teach her.
It's anyways wrong.
Sir, by mistake forgot to put the close the brackets at the end.
Curly brackets.
Sir, I'm a bit confused for B.
So B such that it's, I am going to give you a hint, X. B is equal to X such that X.
Is a
Because I'm
square.
going to, that is my hint, guys. Such a sweet
Oh,
hint,
sir.
such a sweet hint, such a sweet hint by me.
So you did that is a number.
Okay, I'll add is a fine.
Yes, sir.
Is a 2. Is a hit. 2 is a hit.
It is big.
Sir, I'm going to faint.
Sir, we did this in school.
Sir, I was like, God for some
Is
confidence.
a square number less than 101? Method 1.
That's what I wrote. Sir, I wrote X is a square
Sir,
number
it
less
should
than
be
121.
Sir, I didn't learn
See.
square numbers.
Sir, I just wrote that X is a square number. Is a square of
Square
a
number
less than 121.
is a square of a natural number. One more way. N. Where N is less than equal to 100. We can
Excuse me,
write
sir?
like this. Yes.
Sir, can it be X such as X is a perfect square of a number less than 11, natural number less than 11?
Sir,
So beta, it depends on your teacher. I will give mark it correct. But for your school exams, it depends on your teacher. Yes, Candy?
I had written X such that X is a square of a natural number less than 11.
Beta, it depends on your teacher. She can mark it correct also. She can mark it wrong also. According to me, it is correct.
sir.
Now the D part answer. Everyone do it quickly.
Sir, I
1 minute
wrote that-
question.
Sir, I wrote that X is a square of a number less than
बेटा
121.
मैंने आपको बोला ना मैं करेक्ट दूंगा टीचर को भी करेक्ट देना चाहिए. That's what I am saying. I will give you a correct. I will not cross it.
Sir, I can't understand the middle context. I keep getting them wrong.
बेटा वो आप कुछ टाइप के क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस कर लोगे ना you will relate कर लो. Now this is a very easy set of numbers. Try to
million% wrong. I did get it wrong.
now this बेटा you have to help yourself. 2 बार प्रैक्टिस कर लो अपने आप ध्यान हो जाएंगे कौन से नंबर्स हैं. Otherwise you can remember it also. Now I'm giving a hint also to you guys since Dia has said these X such that X is it.
What kind of hint is that?
The best. Sir, the best hint in the
Yes.
Sir, this is what usually my answer.
Mr. Ba, how many marks you got in the maths exam last year?
So term 1 or 2?
Term 2.
So 99.5.
Who got 100 in our class?
So in our class, sir,
Oh, you have a paper of 50. Sir, we have a paper of 50 marks.
sir, in school or in this class?
In school exam from this class.
Sir,
Sir, Saturn.
Sir, I got 49.5 out of 50. Sir, I got 17.
Sir, I got 98.
So x is an odd number less than 20.
Can it be 21?
बेटा 21 जब लेस देन 20 लिख दिया तो 21 कैसे होगा?
Sir, I forgot to press the enter.
Now guys, do the A and B part, send me the answer. Let me do the A part for you. You have to give in roster form. Roster form means you have to just write it. A is equal to 2, 3, 5. So do the B,
And C
do
part.
the, no, not C part. Do the B part and D part. No, D भी छोड़ देते हैं. So do BC. BC in one message.
Sir, it's gonna take ages to do B.
No, beta, it's not gonna take ages to do B.
And factor. Oh. Okay.
We have to do B part, right?
B and C.
Oh.
Or C. Okay. So, instead of commas, I put dots. So, do I have to change them?
Diya. First is wrong, second is correct.
Oh.
Beta, prime factor, how is 1 a prime number? If it's not a prime number, it's not a prime factor. So we have forgotten कैसे करते थे हम prime factorization. So 60 का 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. These are the prime factors of 60. How will I write it? B is equal to 2, 3, 5 because I have to write only one time. So 2, 3, 5.
How is my
Next, X is a letter in the word India. X is equal to, C is equal to I N D A. I told you I love my India. I have told you guys.
I put a
Sir,
double
I sent ma'am my answer 2 minutes ago. She
I put I 2 times.
Beta, she has checked. See. So B and D. Do B and D. Butter. Butter. Butter means बड़ों की respect करें हम. That's what the meaning. Or it is sambar vada. I don't know. It is butter.
So what is I love India?
I love India was a song in the movie, na? I love my India.
Which movie?
Which movie was it? Which movie was it?
So we have to do B and D part.
Yes.
Watan Mere Watan or Razi.
The Shah Rukh Khan was there in this movie.
I remember the rhythm. I remember singing it too. I remember the
Sir,
Pardes. The
Champion.
movie name was Pardes.
I think I've seen it.
I recognize the song. I still remember the rhythm.
All right, Dia, it's correct now.
Both of them?
Yes.
Finally.
Please check my answer as well, Gaurish.
So what did you, how did you relate INDA with I Love My India?
What do I have to do?
How did you relate INDA with I Love My India?
Because India word was common. All right, guys, let's see. X is a month of the year having less than 30 days, so it's February. So we will write B is equal to February.
So D is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sir,
And
we don't have
these-
to write R two times, right?
Sir, I only.
No, beta,
sir,
this
I
is
only-
a name. So you have to write these FEBRUARY are not different. This is a
Sir, I
name.
only-
So we will have to
Sir,
write the
February.
complete month.
Sir, I only wrote 6. Sir, I did not write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Why? You always like to get 6.
Sir,
Alright,
I
have we
know.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, is the answer correct? Like a number less than 7.
I didn't get the question. Can you repeat?
Sir, can you write it a number less than 7?
Beta, that would be set builder form.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Alright, guys. Bye. Good night. Enjoy. Have a
Bye,
nice
sir.
day.
Good night. Bye, sir.
But sir, will you have hold another class of sets?
Yes, next class I'll complete. Bye.